Are you ready? Now let's begin. Oedipus Rex is one of the greatest tragedies in the world literature because it explores human themes such as faith, free will, truth, pride, and human suffering. Sophocles, or the author of this drama, presents that the idea that while people may try to escape their destiny, their choices can unknowingly lead them toward it. The play also emphasizes the importance of seeking truth even if it's painful. Oedipus' determination to uncover the cause of Thebes' suffering ultimately reveals his true identity and his tragic past. His excessive pride or hubris prevent him from accepting warnings and contributes to his downfall as a king. According to Aristotle in Poetics, Oedipus Rex is considered the perfect model of a tragedy because it effectively portrays the reversal of fortune, recognition, and emotional characteristics. Now, let's proceed to the summary of Oedipus Rex. Oedipus Rex tells the story about Oedipus Rex, the king of Thebes, whose kingdom is suffering from a terrible plague. When we say a terrible plague, it's something that prophecy that will happen in his life. The oracle, or when we say the oracle, it means that a message from the gods, or the prophecy declares that the plague will end only when the murderer of the previous or former king of Thebes, which is King Laius, is found and punished. So determined to save his people, Oedipus began an investigation to himself. He consulted the blind prophet of their kingdom, which is Tiresias, who reveals that Oedipus himself is the murderer. Do you believe that he is the one who killed his own father? Oedipus Rex refuses to believe him and accuses that other people is plotting against him. As more evidence is uncovered, Oedipus learns the horrifying truth. Years earlier, a prophecy foretold that he will kill his father and marry his own mother while Queen Jocasta is giving birth to Oedipus. The prophet said to King Laius that his son will kill his own father and marry his own mother. So determined to escape that, King Laius separated his son to him and to Queen Jocasta. Trying to escape this fate, he unknowingly killed King Laius, his biological father, at a crossroad, and later on married Queen Jocasta, his own mother, after solving the riddle of the Sphinx. When we say Sphinx, it is something that an animal, the body of animal, or lion, and the head of a person. And of course, she has a wings. She will going to give you a punishment if you don't answer her question in the kingdom of Thebes. When Jocasta realizes the truth later on, she dies by suicide or killing herself. Devastated, Oedipus blinded himself as punishment and asked to be exiled from Thebes. Because of his actions or his own fate, he blinded himself to be exiled from Thebes. The tragedy ends with Oedipus accepting this responsibility for his action, even though he committed them unknowingly. So sad. Then, now let's proceed to the themes of Oedipus Rex. So the themes of Oedipus Rex is faith versus free will. Then the second one is the truth and self-discovery. The third one is pride or hubris. And the fourth one is justice and responsibility. And the last one is blindness versus sight. So the lesson of this story is accept the truth even And the second one is pride and arrogance can lead to one's downfall. So be careful to your action. Then people must take responsibility for their actions and decisions. And of course, the last lesson of this story is about humility and wisdom are important qualities of a good leader. Now let's proceed to the characters of this story or drama. So the main person or the main character of this is Oedipus, the king of thieves and the tragic hero. And the second one is Jocasta, the queen of thieves and Oedipus' biological mother, and of course later on his wife. Then the third character is King Laius. King Laius is the former king of thieves who later on died at his son own hands, or the former king of these thieves. Then the fourth one is Tiresias. So Tiresias is the blind prophet who knows the truth or who reveals that Oedipus is the one who killed his own father. Now, let's proceed to the next character is Cleon. Cleon is Jocasta's brother, or Jocasta, the queen of thieves brother, who later become or the next king of the kingdom of Thebes. Now, the next character is Messenger, reveals information about Oedipus' Rex. And the next one is Shepherd, confirms Oedipus' true identity. And the next one is the Chorus, or represent the people of Thebes and comments on the events about the story of Oedipus. And the adopted parents of Oedipus are King Polybus and Queen Merope. King Polybus, the king of Corinth, who raised Oedipus as his own son. And Queen Merope, the queen of Corinth and Oedipus' adopted mother. So the kingdom of Corinth is the one who placed that when Oedipus Rex is growing up and later on he become a crown prince. But because of the messenger or the nobleman who drank is he tells that Oedipus is not capable to become a king of the Corinth. Now, let's proceed to the settings of this story. So, the place or the main place of this is ancient Thebes. Ancient Thebes at Greece. And of course, the time of this is mythological ancient Greece during a time of a plague or suffering. And the main location of this is of course the royal palace of Thebes. So the story itself reveals the truth that even when you are trying to escape your destiny, you unknowingly leave them or you unknowingly